Okay, I am officially uninspired. I've been staring into this fridge for 5 minutes, and I have no idea what to make for dinner tonight.
I know what you mean. We have plenty of ingredients, but my brain is empty of ideas. It's like writer's block, but for cooking.
Exactly. What kind of food are you in the mood for? That might help us narrow it down.
That's a good starting point. I could really go for something with bold flavors. Maybe Mexican or Thai food?
Ooh, I love both. Mexican food is always so satisfying. You get so many different tastes in one bite.
I agree. It's never boring. You have the spicy flavor from the chilies, the tangy taste of lime juice, the creamy texture of avocado. It's a perfect combination.
But I think we used the last of our tortillas for lunch yesterday. We might not have everything we need.
That's true. What about Italian food then? It's always so comforting.
I could definitely go for Italian. It makes me think of my all-time favorite food.
Oh, what's your all-time favorite? If you had to pick just one dish for the rest of your life.
That is the toughest question in the world. But if I have to choose, I would say my mom's homemade lasagna.
A classic choice. What's so special about it?
It's just the ultimate comfort food for me. The pasta is perfectly tender, the meat sauce is so rich and savory, and she uses a ridiculous amount of cheesy, gooey mozzarella on top. Every bite feels like a warm hug.
You're making me hungry just describing it.
It's the meal I ask for every year on my birthday. So what about you? What's your number one can't live without it food?
For me, it has to be a perfect bowl of Japanese ramen.
Ooh, that's a good one too. What kind do you like?
I love the rich, pork-based tonkotsu ramen. The broth is so creamy and flavorful, and the combination of textures is what I love most. The chewy noodles, the soft-boiled egg, the crunchy bamboo shoots, and the tender slices of pork.
It sounds delicious. It's funny, our favorite foods say a lot about our cooking preferences too.
How so?
Well, I love making lasagna. I really enjoy the process of making things that take a long time and require you to follow a recipe step by step. I find baking and slow cooking very relaxing.
See, I'm the complete opposite. I admire your patience, but I don't enjoy it. I prefer cooking methods that are fast and allow for a lot of improvisation.
Like what?
I love grilling in the summer or stir-frying things in a wok. High heat, fast cooking. I like to add a little of this, a little of that. I almost never measure anything.
That's my nightmare. I need to measure everything exactly, especially when I'm baking cakes or cookies. Baking is a science.
And grilling is an art. What was your favorite food when you were a little kid? Was it lasagna back then too?
Not quite. My favorite childhood meal was a simple grilled cheese sandwich with a bowl of creamy tomato soup for dipping.
Ah, that's a top-tier comfort food.
It's the best. I loved the crunchy, buttery texture of the toasted bread and the melty cheese inside. It's still one of my guilty pleasures. What about you?
My childhood favorite is a bit embarrassing. It was definitely macaroni and cheese, but it had to be the kind from the bright blue box.
I love that kind. It has a unique salty and cheesy flavor that you just can't replicate.
Exactly. Okay, new question. If you were stranded on a desert island and could only eat one cuisine for the rest of your life, what would you choose?
Ooh, wow. One cuisine. I think I choose Italian. It's so diverse. You have pasta, pizza, risotto, amazing cheeses, and desserts. I don't think I'd get bored.
Good answer. I think I would choose Mexican food. You can have tacos, burritos, enchiladas, fresh salads. The flavors are just so vibrant.
You know, all this talk about Italian food has really made me crave pasta.
Me too. My craving for Mexican food is gone. I'm in a pasta mood now.
I'm looking in the pantry and I see we have spaghetti, a can of crushed tomatoes, garlic, and onions. We have all the basics for a simple marinara sauce.
That sounds absolutely perfect for tonight. Not as complex as your mom's lasagna, but still delicious.
It'll be savory and satisfying. Great. So we finally have a plan for dinner.
Perfect. Since you're the master of patient, precise cooking, you can be in charge of making the sauce.
And since you're the master of fast, chaotic cooking, you can be in charge of chopping the vegetables.
It's a deal.